Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, where we dive into the world of electric vehicles and bring you the latest updates on the most exciting developments in the industry. We've got some news that's sure to electrify your day. Scout Motors, a new brand backed by Volkswagen Group, is revving up its engines to take on the EV market with two new models, the Traveler SUV and the Terra pickup truck. But before these babies hit the road, there are a few hurdles to clear. First off, let's talk about where they're building these electric wonders. Scout Motors has constructed a brand new state-of-the-art factory in Blithwood, South Carolina, which spans an impressive 1,100 acres and is projected to employ over 4,000 people when it's up and running at full capacity. That's roughly 23 vehicles every hour. Talk about efficiency. And with the facility already nearing completion, we can expect the Scout Motors plant to be operational by 2027. But what really gets our motors revving is the fact that Scout Motors plans to sell its EVs directly to consumers, just like Tesla does. That's right, folks, no middlemen or dealerships, just a straight-up, no-frills sales model. However, it seems that might not be possible just yet. Recently, lawsuits have been filed by U.S. dealers and their trade organizations, arguing that Scout Motors should be forced to sell its vehicles through existing Volkswagen Auto Group dealerships. Can you imagine the paperwork? The good news is that Scout Motors has 2 years to iron out these issues before it's supposed to launch its first models in 2028. So, what does this mean for us, the consumers? Well, it means we'll have to wait a bit longer than expected to get our hands on those Scout Traveler and Terra vehicles. But hey, all good things come to those who wait, right? We'll just have to keep an eye out for updates from Scout Motors, and Electro Drive News will be here to bring you the latest news as it happens. That's it for now. Folks, stay charged, stay informed, and we'll catch you in the next one.